Hey guys, I have a little bit of an update on the book. Again, I don't have any updated dates from the printer. Last we talked to them, they are expecting to have all the books finished right at the end of December, and then it's probably going to take about 2 weeks to do all the shipping. It's a complicated shipping process because we have a bunch of different types, 2 different covers, etc., and thousands of books to ship. But what they did do is send me an F and G copy. This is a folded and gathered, which basically means it's all the pages, but they're not yet stitched together, so they're just stapled in batches of 16 pages, not bound, no cover on it, but this is the actual finished physical size of the book, and this is what the whole thing is going to look like. These are actual printed pages, just like exactly what the real book, the final copies, are going to be printed with. So the one thing that really jumped out at me at this was we had talked about when we set this up, we were going to make it not quite 8.5 by 11. This is more like an 8 by 10 book. And we did that deliberately, looking at some of the other books in our library. Just what makes a good, handy size, because 8.5 by 11 is a little bit big to try and hold in one hand and reference through while you're working on something. And what jumped out at me was we nailed that, I think, with this size, because this is easy to put in one hand and use as a reference book, ideally should be. So I will check back in with you guys again once I have any other information. We should be having some video of the actual, I think hopefully the page gilding process and maybe the covers as well in a week or 2, I hope. Just waiting for a date from the printer to have James go up there and film that. So anyway, that's the update for now. Thanks.